other one that I get all the time is I want to kick my partner out because he or she has been cheating or not. I'm tired of fighting and I want to kick them
Right.
out.
He says really horrible things to me.
Mhm.
He's, mean to me. He gives me the silent treatment. She, yells at me every time that she walks by. She eats all my good food in the fridge that I buy. She won't buy any. These are things that people actually accuse each other of. So you can't exclude someone from their house unless there's domestic violence. So if there's domestic violence, you can request that the court issue a move out order,
Okay.
which a temporary restraining order excludes them from the residence for a period of about 21 days.
Okay.
And then there's a full hearing on the restraining order request after that. So restraining orders are, here, I printed out actually. One, domestic violence restraining orders, they can be against more than who you would think. So yes, it's against a spouse. It could be, against the father or mother of your child. You could bring a request for a restraining order, but it's also other relatives. So it's, anybody that's blood related by blood or marriage. It's also anybody that you used to live with or live with. So like a roommate, an old roommate,
Oh, really?
which is surprising, right? The other thing is that the requirements for typical domestic violence, you think, bodily injury, right? So someone threatened to hurt me or someone hurt me.
Okay.
But now it's a more expansive definition where it can include isolation or depriving someone of contact or things or controlling or regulating behavior. So, during COVID, we had a bunch of cases where it was like people were being tracked. Share my iPhone. Everybody has that on their phone. But then, when I go someplace, my husband doesn't text me 500 times saying, "Where are you? I thought you were only going to the store. Where are you now? What are you doing?"
Oh, wow. Okay.
So that kind of control is also prohibited under the statute. So we've been seeing a lot more of those than the classic, physical abuse.